Earlier, you learned that every element on the Wikipedia webpage seemed to be a box, even the completely not rectangular images. But wait, how can everything be a box? I mean, there are other shapes in the world, like circles, right? Well, that is very true. On a website, something may look like a circle or a triangle or something a little more irregular, but in fact, it's still just a box. It just looks like a circle. Don't believe it? Neither did I the first time. Let's take a look at this demo site. On this site, we have 3 very nice circles, and we've even got a triangle. I mean, these can't just be rectangles, right? Or can they? Right-clicking on the first circle and selecting Inspect Element brings up Google Developer Tools in the exact location where the circle is located in the structure. Wait, what? My mind was just blown. So, what exactly is going on here? In this left panel, we have the structure that we're already so familiar with, and this part seems to define our circle. If I highlight this line in Developer Tools, it highlights a rectangular shape on the page. But where does the visible round shape come from? I talked a little something about style earlier. So the answer is probably in the Style panel here on the right. What you see here are the styles used to display the element selected in the left panel. The very cool thing is that you can change the style and immediately see the results. So, for example, maybe I don't want an even number of pixels for width and height. Maybe I want to change this 200 to 100. What happens? Looks like we have more of an oval than a circle. And maybe I don't like the color green, but I don't know what color I want my circle to be. If I click on this little color square, it brings up a selection tool where I can select any color in the visible spectrum. Let's go with blue. Now go ahead, open this page, the link is provided to you in the instructor notes section, and play around with the style of the circles on your own. Particularly take a look at what happens if you uncheck the border radius property. And if at any time you decide that your changes got a little too crazy and you want to go back to normal, you can just refresh the page. So what did happen when you unchecked border radius? Did the circle disappear? Did the circle turn into a square? Did the circle become smaller? Or did nothing happen?